Welcome to the channel, everyone. Well, working on the 80 Chevy Silverado here. Actually trying to gather parts for this thing. I have a few square body parts that I've saved over the years. Not really sure why, but actually this is the core support that come out of the truck. And it's a really good support, except for right here, somebody did something here. But like I said, I've been saving parts over the years, and this is something I've had for I think over 20 years. I'm not sure why I've saved it that long. It's pretty good. It's a Wisconsin support, so if a person was going to use it, you'd really need to do, it's getting a little thin down here. You have to do some repair down there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top piece, because it looks like this top piece unbolts. And I've got the hood support thing, and I've actually got a, this was a Silverado too. This is a 79 Silverado, and it had all the options, just kind of like this truck, this step side here. And it's got, I just sprayed some blaster on this latch, and it's working perfectly. So I got a good latch, looks like. So the plan is to unbolt this and bolt it on the one over there. He did hit some weld on this panel here, and I'm probably gonna have to maybe weld it up and straighten it out before I swap the deals. But yeah, I believe I've got me a good top piece. See, this is a 79, so it's got the round headlights, but I guess from what I understand, 80, I guess you could have had a round headlight in 80 too. I don't know if they switched between the years or something like that, but yeah, you can see this had an air conditioner. It's got a condenser in it. It's junk though. But I guess I saved it for 20 years and I'm going to finally find a use for it. So it was worth it, I guess. So I'm going to try to swap that out and we'll see what happens, I guess. One thing I am noticing is this is a different latch. Yeah, see, this is, I don't know what this hood latch is for, but I don't believe it's for this truck here, because this is where the other latch comes through. There's a slot here, and there's supposed to be like a slot here, I think, where the other latch comes through, but I don't know. I'll try to make it work here. Of the last bolt. Okay, so I got the good piece off. That just unbolted. And I got my original core for the truck here. That one fought. Had to cut it off here. Then I actually had to go in and do some welding because he messed up the edge to get this straight again. A little bit of hammer pounding. And this should be ready for the new old piece, and this should just bolt right up. Because like I said, it's a 79. This should be the same core support. So okay, so there she is, all bolted back together. One thing I forgot to mention was to get this piece to come off, you've got a brace right here, and it's got to be unbolted too, because this thing slides up under it. So you got a brace there, and you got a brace right there. It's got to be unbolted. You got 2 bolts down here that bolt onto there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is just kind of mock-up. I think I'm going to take it apart when I clean it up and paint it. Just because I saw some rust, surface rust behind some of those parts. So I think that's what I'll do. But yeah, no more welded in latch. I don't think you'd ever be able to tell that there was one in here. So pretty happy with this. This is pretty much ready to be mocked up on the truck whenever I get to that point. But yeah, I didn't even know these unbolted from the core support. I don't think you can buy just that piece, but maybe you can. I've never seen it when I've looked for parts. But yeah, I guess that's going to do it for this one, guys. I got a radiator support all ready for the truck. Ready for mock-up anyway. I guess I'll see you guys.